I'm Don Fischer. I do the radio play-by-play for Indiana University football and basketball games and have been doing it since 1973, long time. When you hit your 50th birthday, you start noticing things that are a lot different than what they were when you were 30. And as the years went on, I kept noticing my hair's just getting thinner, the receding hairline's going farther back. I have to do more things to cover it up. Honestly, I didn't want to go bald. And one of my kids one time told me, he said, "Dad, you look terrible bald." Well, I think my hairline has changed dramatically, without question. And I'm totally happy that I did it, made the decision to do it. It's a process. It takes some time to go through it. And it changes so gradually that most don't notice it. And when they don't notice it, that's a good thing. So from my perspective, I made absolutely the right decision for me. Yeah, I always tell everybody I lost weight, yeah. I had multi-unit hair grafting because I thought it would be the best that I could do from a coverage standpoint. And the one guy that promotes it all the time is JMV, John Michael Vincent from 1070 The Fan, who has an afternoon show. And I'm hearing John all the time talking about how he, what was his term? I think I'm residing the playing field. Well, it's a great term because that's exactly what you're doing. There's another gentleman that I know, I don't know that he wants his name out there, but I talked to him a couple of times, and there's no question he is tremendously happy with his procedure. I didn't even know he had the procedure done, and I hadn't seen him in a couple of years, and the next thing I know, I'm looking at him and saying, "You look a little different." He said, "I had my hair transplant." And so I said, "Really, who did it?" And he's talking about PAI Medical Group. So yeah, those guys are really excited and happy with what they did as well. If you are really concerned about your hair loss, you have to look into something that can stop that or a way to replace it. It's a perfect solution. The people in this organization are absolutely top-notch and total professionals, and they understand their business as well as anybody in the business does. They know what they're doing. If you look at the before and after pictures, it's pretty dramatic. I never realized I was that bald. They took the photo and I hadn't seen it until the last time I was in, which was a couple of months ago. And I saw that picture and I went, "Oh my God." Of course, I styled my hair differently so you couldn't see how bad that was. And the only time you would have noticed that I looked like that previously is if I got out of bed in the morning and hadn't combed my hair. So it's pretty obvious that I'm pretty happy with the outcome.